Okay, I'm gonna do my tractor sound that I did like, I don't know, 4 years ago. So I'm gonna try and do my sound, and it's kind of like a machine gun sound too. Okay, can I do it? Okay. Okay, my cheek is supposed to go like this, but it's not. Oh, brother. I can also do it with this one. That one's kind of hard though. I'm gonna try and do it slowly. Okay, that really was bad. Okay, are we done or something?